here we will make the different designs, shapes as well. Let's change it. I will find a design there, explore the different options, make the changes in the border. Here we will select a design, shapes as well, make another changes there. I will find a structure. So these are the vertical lines we are making to make it more attractive design. Let's make a bigger size shape there. We will find a different option. I will create a design there.